In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer an image from your Canva project into another document or application using easy copy and paste techniques. This simple guide can help streamline your workflow and save you precious time, whether you're working on a presentation, report, or just sharing visuals with colleagues. First and foremost, let's make sure you're on the correct page. Begin by navigating to your Canva project. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in Canva's URL, or by using the app if you have it downloaded. Sign into your account if prompted and locate the specific project that contains the image you wish to copy. Now, this might be a project you recently worked on or one from your portfolio of designs. The aim here is to have your design open and ready for you to select a specific image. Once you have your Canva project open, scan through your design elements and select the particular image you need. This can be done with a simple click. You might need to double check that you've selected only the image you want, especially in designs where multiple elements overlap. After confirming your selection, you'll notice options for actions you can take with the selected element. What you're looking for here is the Copy option. In Canva, once you select your image, you can usually find this option at the top of your screen or by right-clicking on the image itself. Click on Copy, and you'll have successfully copied your chosen image to your clipboard. Now, the next step is finding the destination for this image. Navigate to the document, application, or page where you want to paste your image. This could be a text document, a slide in a presentation, or anywhere that supports image paste functionality. Position your cursor at the desired paste location. Right-click within the document or use the Edit menu, then click on Paste. And just like that, your image should appear exactly where you need it. If for any reason the paste option is grayed out, verify that your cursor is in a location that can accept an image. Some applications or sections might only accept text, so make sure you're in the right area. Also, be prepared to resize or reposition your image based on the layout of your document or application. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully transferred your image from Canva to another application, all with a few simple clicks. This process is not only efficient, but can be repeated for multiple images, swiftly moving from design to final application. Whether you're preparing a robust presentation or crafting a visually appealing report, this method ensures that your design elements maintain their quality and style throughout the transition. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in enhancing your digital creation process.